Welcome to our video walkthrough of Website Admin. In this video, we'll give a quick summary of Website Admin and the items found under it in the left side menu, starting with Dashboard and continuing through to Files. While this video will cover the Website Admin area and its parts, the other areas such as Account, Ads, Admin, and Turbo Leads will be covered in their own respective videos. And with that, let's get started. You can tell you're viewing the Website Admin as it will be reflected in the top left in blue. Each website area will do so with its own respective color. Below Website Admin, you'll see the different sections of Website Admin. The first is Dashboard. From Dashboard, you'll find quick links, a short list of links frequently used for parts of your website, such as viewing and editing your website, checking leads, managing listings, and blog posts, along with other helpful information such as webinars, tips, and additional services. Our second section is Settings. If Settings is clicked, it will expand to show the items under it. These items under Settings will range from branding, search restrictions, search defaults, visitor registration, and more. First, you'll find branding. Branding allows you to adjust your logo used throughout the website and set options for when it's clicked. After this is search restrictions. By default, your website searches will use all the possible data from your MLS, but this can be restricted to just the ones desired. The next one we'll take a look at is search defaults. In search defaults, you can change the default way that searches display, such as sort order, results view, road or satellite view, and more. The following section, listing display, will allow you to set the settings for listing thumbnails and listing detail pages. This can range from badges on thumbnails for including or excluding preferred listing info on the listing detail page. Next is featured locations. Your featured locations are the communities you want to focus on, where you spend most of your time and marketing attention. These will be used to create dynamic website content and pages. The section after this is House Track emails. These are the email updates sent to your clients when new homes match their saved search criteria. The settings here will allow you to adjust the composition of the email, but whether a client is sent a House Track email or not will be controlled from Turbo Leads in the settings for that system. Next is visitor registration. Here you can adjust the settings that require your website visitors to register before viewing MLS search results or listing details. By default, the option for auto-optimize my settings for lead generation is selected. If unchecked, we recommend using the simple registration form. You can choose which information to collect when a user registers, as well as personalize the call to action sections. Visitor interface settings are used to customize the side menu, mobile menu, and navigation menu for visitors to your website. This alters the look, feel, and how information displays for users when interacting with the registration side menu. And wrapping up the settings section of Website Admin, you'll find privacy policy, accessibility, and spam settings, provided with the generic controls to adjust these settings as needed. Our next section is integrations. This is where you can manage third-party integrations for your website. Social Login allows you to integrate social single sign-on buttons to your registration form for Facebook and Google. Social Suite allows you to integrate your website to your existing Facebook business page if you have one. Social Links allows you to link your social media to the respective badges found on your website. And wrapping up integrations is Extra Code. This provides a space to place extra code in the header or footer of your website when required by unique third-party integrations. After integrations is domains. This is where you can add, publish, set primary, and manage the domain or domains of your website, as well as the settings for each individual domain, such as advanced DNS and MX records. Clicking on blog will show the commonly used areas for blog, such as post, where you can view all posts as well as add new ones for future publication if desired. Moderate comments, which will show you any comments made on a blog post that may be awaiting your moderation and approval. Manage tags, which will show you the current tags to help organize your blog. And settings, which refers to the global and default settings for your blog. The next section is traffic, where you can monitor traffic to your website. Summary will provide a traffic report. This is an overview of your website traffic in the last 30 days. For more specific details or options further than 30 days, you can click on Most Viewed Pages. Listing pages to view statistics relating to pages for your listings in your listing manager. Visit totals, where you can filter by date. Conversions to gain insight to those registering. and any traffic that may have used a referral link. The section after this is SEO, which is short for Search Engine Optimization. This section has the website admin items related to search engines like Google and how your website is found. Under meta tags, you'll find titles, descriptions, and keywords which are used by search engines to help display and rank your web pages. This also sets the default snippets shown when your page appears in a search engine result. For Google Analytics, although the traffic section mentioned earlier is already provided, you can link your own Google Analytics account if desired to track your website traffic in depth. Next is AMP pages, known as accelerated mobile pages. These help to capture leads from mobile devices. Any settings related to or options needed for accelerated mobile pages can be found here. For convenience, you'll find the links to Edit Website, View Website, and Listings. These operate the same as the quick links from the dashboard seen earlier. And the last item found under Website Admin is Files. This will take you to the file manager for your website. Any custom image or file used on your website will need a place to be stored for reference online for use by your website. Space to do so is provided here. And that concludes our video walkthrough of Website Admin. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about the newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.